Welcome, welcome, welcome. You've tuned into Top Places, your online portal to the world's most extraordinary destinations and cuisines. We're about to embark on a culinary journey that spans the length and breadth of a continent known for its vibrant cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and most importantly, its incredible food. Yes, my friends, we're exploring the gastronomic wonders of South America. Picture a fusion of flavors as diverse and colorful as the continent itself. South American cuisine weaves a rich tapestry of indigenous traditions, colonial influences, and contemporary innovations. It's a tantalizing blend of the old and the new, the familiar and the exotic, all served up with a dash of South American flair. Imagine dining at a high-end restaurant in Buenos Aires, Argentina, where you'll find the perfect steak, grilled to perfection in the traditional asado style. Or perhaps a visit to a local eatery in Lima, Peru, where the ceviche, a citrus-marinated seafood dish, is as fresh as the Pacific Ocean breeze. Picture yourself wandering the bustling streets of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, tasting the local street food delight called acarajé, a deep-fried ball of black-eyed pea dough filled with vatapa and caruru. Or how about a bite of arepas, a versatile cornmeal patty that's a staple in every Venezuelan home? From the hearty empanadas of Chile to the unique lapingachos of Ecuador, from the mouth-watering bandeja paisa of Colombia to the delicious saltinas of Bolivia, South American cuisine is a feast for the senses. Each dish tells a story. Each flavor is a testament to the continent's rich history and diverse cultures. And isn't that the beauty of travel? It's not just about the places you visit, but also about the flavors you discover, the people you meet, and the experiences you gather along the way. South America, with its array of culinary delights, offers an experience that's as rich and varied as its landscape. So, if you have a taste for adventure, a hunger for new experiences, and a palate that's ready to be surprised, South America is the place to be. We hope this journey has whet your appetite for the richness and diversity of South American cuisine. Before we part, remember, Top Places is your passport to the world's most amazing destinations and cuisines. If you've enjoyed this gastronomic journey, do consider subscribing to our channel. We have a world of flavors waiting to be discovered, and we'd love to have you along for the ride. Until next time, stay curious, stay hungry, and keep exploring.